Hello, welcome to Casual English with Amy. Today we are going to talk about English pronouns. This is a quick and simple overview, only about 4 minutes. So we have reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun refers to a previously mentioned person, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So this is talking in past tense or previous person. Example, Avery made herself a sandwich for lunch. You're reflecting back. Okay, relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that heads an adjective clause. Examples, that. This relates to people, animals, and things. Which relates to people, animals, and things also. Who relates to people as a subject. Whom relates to people as an object. Whose refers to possessions. Where refers to a place or places. When refers to time. Why refers to reasons. Please click that like button. It really helps YouTube offer my videos to other people. Okay, now we have object pronouns. Object pronouns receive action. Subject pronouns perform the action. Let's look at some examples. Me, you, him, her, us, them, whom. For subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, us, they. Now you see some of those repeat. Okay, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns indicate possession or ownership, like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Okay, indefinite pronouns. Let's look at them in like this little box form. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to anything or anyone specifically. These are very general. So we have people, places, and things on the side. So for people and some, it would be someone or somebody. For places and some, somewhere. For things and some, something. Okay, I think you can see where we're going here. Then we have anyone, anybody, anywhere, anything, everyone or everybody, everywhere, everything, nobody or no one, nowhere, and nothing. So pause on that screen if you need to. Okay, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific objects. They take the place of the noun phrase, the activity, or the situation. They contain the words this, these, that, those. Sometimes they include words like none, neither, such. Okay, that is a quick overview of some pronouns. If you'd like to know more about pronouns, let me know. Okay, thank you for practicing English with me. Please watch another video too. Maybe share it with someone. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.